I am back. You see this? This is Michi. Michi, I'm back. So I want to share with you this my son doing. Okay, look at this. Kim Austria. Thank you, Kim. Thanks for the likes. I am so excited to show these two Sans Cotton orders. Oh my gosh, you can't believe how what what he did himself. Okay, he ordered two sons cotton. Like say, hello, Dabads. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. How are you doing, the buds? The buds file, yes. Don't forget to like the buds. Came Austria, Michi Manalo, and the bud. Thank you so much. Yeah, he's so very. I don't know. I don't know, but he is in the. Hey, Jawus. Hello, Jawus. Don't forget to like Jawus. Yeah, I changed my phone because I was not contented. Good morning, Joel. Don't forget to like Joel, yes. Guys, Joel's kitchen is 18,000. Please connect to him. His kitchen channel is big, 18,000. He almost 20,000. So please connect to him. And yeah, so okay. I was so excited to share with you because I can't believe what he ordered and I didn't know. He ordered, it's so funny. Yes, you look this one. Yeah. Uh, I don't know what we call this, but I call this Sans Cotton's Order. Like, just get a look. Look, how guys, thank you. Please don't forget to likes. Kim Austria, please don't forget to likes. Michi, Javus, and the Buds. Please likes for me. Only 30 minutes, guys, and that's it after because I am so busy. I have lots of things to do. I have a construction that I don't know what they're doing outside. I really don't know. Yes, so okay. He ordered this cotton sands. I don't know where he ordered. Maybe in Shopee or maybe in Shopee or maybe in I think Shein or something. I don't know. I stopped ordering in Shein because all my clothes is big. Yeah, I ordered four. I think four dresses. The result, my dresses is big. So I'm small. I'm not big. I'm large in petite. Yeah, I'm large. Yeah, so I just don't. But I think in regular sizes, like because I am supposed to be a medium than large. Yeah. So yeah, here, see, look. It's not really bad. It's very good. Look. See, look here, the people, and if you turn around, is look. It's so funny. It's so funny, and he have two. So look, he have also two the color. I don't know what is looking cute. You like it? It's cute, right? Yeah. See, look, it's so funny, my son. Oh my gosh, I want to try to put my hair. Yeah, that nobody this. Yeah, he's so funny. I can't believe what he did. Yeah. And also, yeah, which I love the blue one. Yeah, you like the blue one, right? The blue one is cool, like a boy one. See here. Yeah. I like also blue one. Yeah, it's very cute. It's very cute. It's so funny kid. I don't know what's wrong with her. Him. Not her. Him. Yeah. Yeah, the blue one is this one. See, look. The blue one, they have a smile. And this one, look, it's crazy. Look, yeah. On this one is this is for Joe. Joe, look, it's for happy pillow. Yeah, I'm so very. I didn't see this because yesterday I was here. I was here, yeah, because they have aircon here. That's why I am here. I have also a aircon, but I'm very comfortable here to talk. Yeah, it's very quiet, and that's why I notice everything here what he have, and yeah, I found this. Yeah, I found this, but I like it though because it's soft. Maybe that's why he ordered it. Yeah, I see here is and also they have lot things here, but I cannot touch. It's not mine, so I don't want to get boof. Yeah, and here, so yeah, he have lots of things here that I cannot. Yeah, poop, 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 poop. Yeah, yeah, and also and also um, I have yeah, it's so funny, my son. Yeah, he have his thing here. Yeah, it's very funny. Yeah, the only that I found out this one because it's very cute. It's very like what you call this like very unique, very unique. Yeah, you can use. I think he don't want like a pillow like hide his neck. Yeah, I think he uses for his head like when he's sleeping and maybe I want but I don't need this. I have lots of stuffed toys. Even if I was working, they give me a present like a stuffed toys, like beer. I have a big one, like color pink, but I give it to my daughter. But I don't know where is it now. I don't know. Maybe I give it away. I give it away already. And I am so very grateful that I have those because I used it before. But now I'm looking for it. But you know, when you're getting older, you don't need it anymore but you just like for decoration. But it's too much ding- dingy dangy, yeah. But this one is cool for your bed and it's so nice. Look, it's very, it's very, it's very funny. Look, so look, I'm not advertising. I just show you only what I found out. What I found out to my son's room. Yeah, yeah. See here, look, oh, it's so cute. It's so cool. It's so cool. But you know, I love to lie down, and maybe I want this to do like this. Yeah, I like that. I want to show you like that. See here, sleeping like that. See here. See, yeah, like that. No? Mm. Or maybe I want to do like this into there. Yeah, here. Yeah. Yes, it's very. Yeah, that's the Sander. Or I will put this Pokemon toys there like that. At least they can see. Yeah, see. Uh, okay, guys. I want to do something for a second, and I want to, I'll come back, and I hope you try to stay and give me a likes. It's only half an hour. This thing before, okay? Yeah. So, yep, it's very. Yeah, that's a problem there now. Yeah, see, uh, I tried to do something here. And also, oh my gosh, Myanmar, dear. Oh my gosh, what the heck? And he's buying a you know that his perfume like, he's buying a perfume like a very mild. It's not really, and he have these toys. Look, okay, these toys that he bought. I don't know if this is came from Canada like this, and this one the stuff. Yeah, this one I think it's in here. So that's the one he bought it. Yeah, everything here. He's you know, he's more. Yeah, 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 yeah. Uh, Again, he got this two things, and he got this one. See, look, this is the one I noticed. But guys, don't worry because my cooking is very soon. My kitchen is already built. It's almost done. They have already tiles. They put the tiles already, both tiles, and they have already a sink. So after they put the sink, they have for water. See, I have a sink. They have what they call this? You know, the chopping board. Yeah, they have a chopping board. I think, I'm not sure if I'm, but you cannot chop there. I need to make sure if I buy a meat or chicken or something need to be cut. Everything I don't need to. But I really want to cook outside if I have my chicken. I only cook inside for my cooking show. That's the good thing there. And have a table that I really needed. Yes, and everything is good. Yeah. Ting, ting, ting. Yeah. And guys, I want to shout out. I forgot. Oh my goodness. I want to write it down. I forgot to write it down. So I want to write it down now for. Okay. On July 23rd, we have 23 people. I want to shout out in 23. I want to shout out on July 23. Shout out to Travel Michi, Flip Elliott, World Tour, Kim, Jory, Charlene, Ronnie and Lisa, Drefter, Fred. Oh, nag-slice ka pizza. Nag-slice ka pizza. Oh, thank you. Drifter, Fred and Goody, Francis. Wow, masarap yan, Michi. Francis M. Angeline, Sophie, Pastor Joanne, Rosalie, Angel Love, Robert. Yes, I have all the list. July 23 and July 24. I see Michi Trouble, Sandy, Ken, Fred, and that's it because I only have a shirt. In July 25 came Austria travel. Kimi to go from Yoki, travel from Canada, came a from Philippines, and then Douster is came from Canada, and EBOFW from Hong Kong, Chichi from Dumaguete, Lizelle OFW Vlad, Chris Mill, Tito Fleck Elliott from America, and Freddie D from Africa. So now we have July 25, 26. I think we are 26, 25. Okay, let's see. I want to look who is here. One, two, three, four. Michi, uh, Michi. No, I want to make sure because Michi the Bad, Jawo, the Bad, the Bad, Michi, Michi. And Kim, I think, right? Kim, Austria, Kim. So, guys, I want to tell you again. Uh, in today, if who is winner for our, because it's very fast, the month, the day, and everything. Once that uh, who is the winner? If I if not present, no win, nothing. Uh, if for example, if you're international and you are monetization, if you are monetized, you can win watch hours or super chats over sticker and membership. International. Then if you are not monetized, so I give you what it is. I give you I'll give you free watching hours. Like I will watch your hours. Yeah, I will watch your hours that it's move up. Don't think about 87 cents. Oh, I win 87 cents, then like this, like that. No, that's not important. The important that you grow your hours and your subscription. You need to do something. Yeah. 87 cents is only oh, I want to shout out to Kemi to go. Kemi to go is also, he said if he win, hey Juanita, my friend, how are you, Juanita? Okay, number 5 is Juanita. Juanita, how are you? Long time no see, Juanita. How are you doing? Oh my goodness, I'm so happy to see Juanita. So we have Michi, Joaquim, the band, and Juanita and Trouble. How are you doing, Juanita? How is your health? How is the weather? How is everything? I know you are very good. You're always supporting me. I know you're just like me, going everywhere. Because me, if I'm not live, I'm going everywhere. I go to Johnny Stride. I go to Henry. I'm going to Brad. I'm going to this. I'm going to that. Yeah, it's only. I went to Johnny Stride live today. I went also last night to Lori's. I went to Motobaong. I didn't. Last I went to ABCM. I went to Angie. I went to um, Chrismel. I went to. Yes, I've been hoping around to do all that. Thank you so much. Yeah, I went to Chrismel. I went to Lee. Lots. I cannot remember, but I went for support. Yeah. I I love to support. Oh, I went to BDBP. I went to BDBGP. I am his member. Yeah, I'll become his member. And yes, I have lots of people that I went to. I cannot memorize, because it's so plenty. Yeah, because sometimes we need to support. I went to my yeah, that's why I said that if you are I'm supporting I carried my name at Travel Farm Nida. That's my supporters. And if you see me at Travel Farm Nida, that's me. I support your channel. And this is my main channel, Nida's Cooking Show. But once again, I don't have any kitchen yet, but my kitchen is very soon finished, so don't need to be worried. Then after we can cook. Yes, we can cook and we can chit chat and like this, like that. And also I can buy anything I need, especially for cooking. Yeah. I need a fish, I need a shrimp, I need meat, I need everything. Yes, and that's important to me because for cooking. Yes, Juanita. Juanita, I want to shout out to Kim and Michi, Jawu, the bad, and Juanita and Travel. Yes, Travel from Nida. Uh, that's my supporter channel. I really appreciate. And okay, I want to another shout out on July 25. Okay, I want to shout out to Kin Stout. Yeah, Kin Stout also is there. I want to shout out to Janet on his service. I don't know what happened. I hope you are okay, Janet, on his service. God is too. Uh, I want to shout out hi hello to Mason, Scott Mason. I hope you're doing good. I don't know. I don't see you anymore, and I am hoping only the health that you have right now also because I know you have an operation. I really thinking of you guys, and especially with Janet, that's on his service, and I don't know what's going on. I don't see her, and also I want to thanks to Plef Elio, Fred Danguti, Tito Flef, Chris Mill, Leslie, Chichi, Evie, the Duster. The Duster, I think, is came from Canada. Yeah, EBOFW and Kemi Travel came Austria. Hey, Matthew, the orders. Oh, yes, the orders is here. Look, this is the orders. I want to show you. Yeah, this is the orders. Look, the orders waiting tune is this one that I want to show you. Um, this order is yeah, see the sun, look, oh yeah, this is the one that I am telling that somebody ordered this. Look, I think, oh, I think like that. Yeah, see, look, the orders, see and see. Thank you, Washington, thank you. Yeah, this is the one that I am really talking about. Yeah, this is the one I'm really talking about the orders. Yeah, and I didn't see this yesterday. I see it today because yesterday when I came here, is nothing in here. But today, this morning, when I came in, I saw these two. Yes, and next day we talking about Pokemon too. Okay, yeah, here, see, look, oh, see two. Oh, it's not only one, two. Yeah, see two. Oh, look, it sounds good. See, look, two. This is the orders that my son did. Yeah, you like it? So give me a comment after this if you like it. But I didn't advertise. I'm only telling that what I found it. Yeah, what uh what I saw. It's so funny, man. It's two things. Look, yeah, it's very. I was thinking, what in the world to order this uh, and where he put. Maybe it's in his like he make this a pillow. Yeah, maybe he make a pillow because it's not it's not like it's not like soft, but it's soft. Yeah, see here. You see? Oh, let me see. Yeah, do you like it? Like this. There's so something wrong, but it's nice though. Look, it's nice. So you see. I didn't advertise it. I just showing what. And also, guys, they try to invite me for shopping. Like shopping. But I don't know how to hook up. I don't want to get. I don't want to get and like mistake because I really hate mistakes. Yeah, I they try to message me. Oh, they invite you like this. Oh, maybe they invite me again this one because. Yeah, see. Oh, look. Oh, I want to order a t-shirt that they have. I hope they have someone to give me like a t-shirt like Nida's Cooking Show from YouTube. Yeah, YouTube channel, Nida's Cooking Show, something like that. I'm hoping that they have someone to order me and send it to me here. Yeah, I'm waiting